Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm making a review about a company. Uh, they are based in China. I already made an order with them. I have S400 Mercedes Benz S400 hybrid 2010 Mercedes. So this car usually has a malfunction with the inverter. So I disassembled the inverter with myself and find out that it's burned completely, the black and the green board you see here. So I bought from the company called uh, Inispo. Okay, this company based in China. It's a scam actually, and I'm very sad that I already lost all my money because I bought a new part. This is the old one, the original one of my car, and it's burned completely. So I bought a replacement with 700 USD. I paid like 700 to 91 USD for a bullshit part. They put a solid 10 and they not welded it. It's not welded very well. So after I installed the new part, this green part, they shipped me a bullshit and defective part. They used to solid it manually, and they took also this piece of part from a new one and original and put it and make some solid with 10. It's very bad, and my unfortunately I have after I installed this part on my car, the wire burned out, and I need to fix it. I tried to contact them multiple times. They have a lady uh, called Teresa, and I can show you also all the messages between me and her. She used to ignore me completely and said it's not their fault. So uh, I told her that I need a good part that it's well welded like this one, and this one is not new as well. It's fixed and with bad quality. You see here they put a 10 and here 10. This is not normal. I was thinking that they do a good welding like this manufacturer, but unfortunately this company is full of scams. So I'm do a review about this company. It's called, as I said, it's called Inispo. They have a big store for parts, but all of their parts are bad quality. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't buy anything from them. Also, the S400 needs a good part and green with green and black board. So if you buy from China, from this company, you will get one like this, and it's very bad quality. So if you focus here, you see these are good welded and it's a manufactured. So, and this one is very bad. They put only 10 and make it like this. This is very bad. Thank you so much.